Hi, this is Mrs. Gochin, the Media Specialist at William N. Middle School. In this video, I will show you the updates and changes to the login, project creation, and citation tools of NoodleTools. To begin, let's go to www.noodletools.com. You will notice that this home screen looks new. To log in, you click the Login button in the top right corner of the screen. On this next screen, you will log in the top left of the screen where it says Sign In. Remember that your personal ID is your first name, last name, and your password is your student ID. Once you are logged in, you will be on the My Project screen. Its layout has been updated somewhat, but it still has the same basic information listed, which includes your existing projects. When you begin your Grade 8 Language Arts argument research, you should first create a new NoodleTools project for that research assignment. To do that, you would click on the green New Project button in the top left. Then you would enter a descriptive name for the project title. Our naming convention has been to do the grade, GR8, the subject, so Language Arts or LA, and then whatever your research topic is, for instance, animal testing. Our citation style is defaulted to MLA, which is the format that we use here at Bernard's, and the citation level is defaulted to Junior for middle school. And then you simply click the Submit button. Now you will find yourself on the dashboard for this project. Again, it looks a little bit different, but has the same basic information on it. Since I am showing you how to enter citations, we want to get to the MLA Works Cited screen. So to do that, you need to click the Sources tab in the menu at the top of the dashboard. And now we are on the MLA Works Cited screen. My screen's cut off just a little bit, but you should be able to see your project name and then MLA Works Cited. To create a new citation, we'll simply click the green Create New Citation button and enter our sources information. NoodleTools will ask you two questions. First question, where is it? And the second question, what is it? NoodleTools gives you choices for each of these questions. So for the question, where is it? As you can see, NoodleTool gives the choices database, website, print or in hand, which means a physical print source such as a book or a magazine or a newspaper, viewed or heard live, which would be something like a podcast or a video or a live presentation or lecture. File, app, or ebook refers to ebook sources that you read online through a device like a Kindle or through an app like iBooks, or if it's an actual ebook file that you've loaded on your computer. And then there's the other choice, which gives you options like a CD-ROM or microform, which are older sources of information. Let's select database for this example so you can see the next question. The next question, what is it? And for each of these different containers listed here, you'll have different choices for what is it. In the case of a database, it could be a book in the database, a film, a journal, a magazine, a newspaper, reference source, so on. So let's say that it's a magazine in a database for our example. Now you're on the input screen. This should look familiar. It hasn't changed from the last release of NoodleTools. And you would just fill in the fields and then click the green Submit button at the bottom. Just as a reminder, remember that this My Libraries databases is a drop-down menu which lists all the databases we subscribe to, and you can just select the database that you got your source from, and it automatically populates the name of the database field, which is a required field that you can tell because of the red asterisk. So then you continue on filling in your fields, and as I said, then click the green Submit button. You would repeat these steps: create new citation, answer the questions, enter the information for every source you use for your research. If you are using the NoodleTools Notes and Outline features to take notes and outline your paper, make sure to enter the source citation first so you can then connect the note card to the source you took the notes from. If you are generating a works cited page for your project, remember to enter all of your citations first and then generate the works cited page by clicking the Print Export button here and then selecting either Print Export to Word to generate your works cited in a Word document, or Print Export to Google Docs to generate the works cited page in a Google Docs file. Use whichever one meets your needs. So in this case, I selected Google Docs, and now my source citation is in a Google Docs file in ML8 format as a works cited page. NoodleTools creates your citations and works cited page using the ML8 formatting rules, which came out over this summer and which have simplified some of the requirements. You can find a link to the NoodleTools user guide on the Media Center homepage if you click Resources and then scroll down to Online Resources section. NoodleTools also has a question mark icon on all of its screens, and if you click that icon, useful help information for that screen is then displayed. Good luck with your research and generating your citations.